All right, recording is rolling. It's Friday, May 26th, the very last day of school. So we're gonna do final exam here, and then here's the rest of the schedule today. Hope you guys brought your laptop and charger to turn in first period. You guys remember graduation's at 6 p.m. and yeah, I hope you guys have a great summer and rest of your high school life. Yeah, so this class physics, I hope that you've gotten something good out of it, and there are a lot of things to get out of it, you know, whether it's like specific content or thought processes. And I don't know how you're specifically going to apply it in your life, and maybe you don't. You never know when you're going to need something or get to apply something, or sometimes it could be like really subtle and subconscious, just like a way of thinking about things, or maybe sharpened your algebra skills. So you never know, but I really do hope that you got something good out of this class by being here. I've enjoyed teaching a lot, and yeah, so right. So stuff about exam stuff. One question I've gotten is like, how do you calculate your overall grade for the class, or if you're targeting a certain grade, how do you know what you have to score on the exam? So this should be universal. This should be true for all your classes. Is that remember, this is only for semester 2, so nothing from semester 1 counts towards your semester 2 grade. Okay, so you take 40% or 2/5 of your quarter 3 grade, 40% of your quarter 4, and 20% of the exam. Add that up, that adds up to your overall grade. Here, let me give you guys an example. Suppose you scored 78% in quarter 3. So I'll take 2/5 of 78, and maybe quarter 4 you scored 79%. So I'll take 2/5, 40% of 79%. Okay. And let's say on this exam you score an 86. So I'll do 1/5 of 86. Right. What would that give you overall? So 78, 79, and then 86. That would give you exactly an 80, which is what you would need to score a B. Okay. Now, what if you were wondering the reverse question, like, well, suppose I know I want to score a B, right? Okay, 78, 79, that's really close. I wonder what I would have to score on the exam. Okay. Now I happen to plug in 86 and that worked out exactly, but you could also do the algebra. Okay. We've done plenty of algebra in here, so just algebra rearrangement. So how it works out is that what you need to score on the exam is 5 times what you want minus, well, 4 times what you have, or if you break it down into quarters like this. So let me run the same numbers and show you that it works out the same way. So I could do 5 times, okay, now let's say your target was an 80, like, I really want to be, technically you could put in 79.5 here and it would round up, but I'll just do 80, right? Minus 2 times, okay, and then so you got a 78 here, and then minus 2 times and say a 79 here. Oh, look at that. You would need exactly an 86 to reach that grade. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so again, that should be universal. It should work for all your classes. All right. Okay, so you guys good with that? All right. Now this specific exam. See, I'm gonna give you guys this grid page here. You guys remember this exam? I've been telling you guys it's open calculator but closed notes. Right, so you guys got that. You use calculator, just no notes. Okay. But it's the same questions that we covered during the review. So if you pay attention during the review, then I think it'll be good. Okay, so write your name here. Now exam key here. I've got a bunch of exam packets that I'm using on my classes. So please don't write on the exam packet, just write on the grid. Okay. So guys, are you gonna write on the packet?
No.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. Too. Right, see you.
I want to be.
Thank you. All right. So here, look, make sure you guys are on the same page here. Are you guys going to write on the actual exam packet?
No, sir.
Correct. All right, you guys got that right. The answer was no. But you're going to write on the grid, right? Also on this packet, since there are lots of different versions, this one says key C. You guys see key C? So if you receive this exact packet, then where it says key, you would just write the letter C, and then I'll know which version to grade. Okay. The only differences between the packets are the numbers might be a little bit different, like 5 volts versus 10 volts, and the answer choices might be scrambled. So instead of the answer being B, it might be C or something. Okay. So that's it. All right. All right. And based on how this has been going last few days, time should not be an issue. Nobody's had trouble finishing this in the time window that you get like a solid 2 hours here. And I'll probably have these graded before you walk out of class, and if that's the case, then I'll have your grades uploaded to Focus. All right, so are there any questions about anything? All right, so you guys ready for this thing?
Yeah.
All right, let's get this going.